See that on my glasses? Sometimes I forget to decrease the brightness so that I don't look so crazy. Okay. Welcome back. Oh my god, that was such a big I am coming down with a cold, but I'm going to get through this because I need to get through it. Okay. That's an exciting introduction. This is video 3 of 3 of interactive docs. We've looked at Google Docs, we've looked at Google Forms. Now we're going to look at Google Slides. This is what I use pretty much exclusively for this sort of thing. It is mostly used as a presentation app. Of course it is, but it's actually just a really nice cloud document creator. Again, I'm just going to keep talking about links. Just the ability to embed links and send students to different places at need is huge. Unlike Google Docs, you can embed your videos right into the slide, which is helpful. It looks nice. It leads right into number 3. You just have so many more options aesthetically with what you can do with slides than with docs and forms for that matter. Like you're really open to do just about whatever you want to do. With Google Slides, you don't have the most options with your text, but honestly, you don't really need it. Lastly, and this is the same with docs, but if you're using Classroom, the ease of assigning work and getting it returned, and just all the organization that comes with using Classroom is so awesome. All right, let's look at one. I could have pulled up any number of ones, but I wanted to pull up one that was really pretty simple. There's not that much to it, but it works. Okay, I'm going to present it, and it's tall, so it's not going to fill up the screen as you might expect it to. Okay, few things. Totally ganked up. TED Talk logo with a transparent background and got it in there. Looks pretty official, but I just put it in there. You can use GIFs on the screen, which is it's just cool. I just like it. You can put GIFs in your backgrounds and stuff. So again, adding visual interest and making the thing that you're making seem important or feel like it matters. You just have more options to be able to do that. Okay, it's fixing to get a little loud, but here are up here. Well, firstly, here's a video. Just inserted a video. It's not a big deal. Here, let's look at that real quick. Just inserting video, and then you can search for what you want. Let's look for this Tweezer Caspian. Oh yeah, that is a beast. Move me. Select it. Move me back. Okay. And of course, I don't actually want Tweezer in here. I just want to show you how easy it was. Okay. Bye-bye. So we have a TED Talk in here. That's what this is. I can't, let's see, Collective Absurdity. It's a good one. I think the kids liked it. Okay, back to it. So far, the interactivity really is just that we have a video embedded in it. Okay, it's all in one place. They can watch the video, type their stuff. This is basically an assignment that's trying to get them not just reflect, but to be to practice note taking and to be accountable to the content. So what works really nicely here is this. Up here at the top, you'll see TED examples. We grade on a 4 scale. So here's an example of a 4, here's an example of a 3, here's an example of a 2, and then a 1, taken from prior weeks with similar assignments. So here's a student who totally rocked it out, tore it up. That's our 4. So one of the things that these interactive docs can really do is just add supports in for your students. right? If there's if there's some sort of reference material that they might need again, well, you could just hope that they would remember or bookmark the thing or go back to Classroom and open the link or whatever it was the first time you gave it to them. Or you could just make everyone's life a whole lot easier. Just link that sucker in and let them have it if they need it. Because honestly, in the real world, that's kind of how we work. We'll just go back to the internet or go back to that book and check again if we don't remember. It's totally normal. So these interactive docs can really help in that pursuit. Give the kids what they need in a really clean and clear way. There's a 3. I'm almost just testing myself now to see if they're actually all in here. Here's what a 2 might look like. I know none of the kids will ever watch this video, but if they do and see that their answers are theirs is the 1, it'll almost be funny. Okay, so we are going to open it. Okay, and there's our 1. So kids have the ability to self-assess as they're going. Helpful, okay? Again, interactivity, like you're adding options in, you're adding directions in, steps in, some things that elevate what you're doing beyond paper replacement, right? You're giving kids other things to do, making it so that the technology is necessary and making it into something that you couldn't have done without it. It's not to say you couldn't pass out all this paper, but my gosh, we definitely don't need to murder trees for these examples that not that many kids are in the end actually going to look at. But to have them available, that feels really nice. Okay, I could show you a bunch of these. I'm just not going to. But I will say that for my money, using slides to make this sort of thing is where it's at. So, by the way, if you've never used slides this way, the first thing you're probably wondering is how to make it not the same size. So, usually you'll go in and it'll say widescreen 16 by 9 usually. If you go down to custom, you can then put in whatever sizes you want. Okay, start with 8.5 by 11. It's the size of a standard piece of paper. And then if you need it longer, just start stretching that thing as needed. Okay, and if you want to know more about um, slides, I have some videos on that stuff too. Okay? Okay. All right. Thank you, everybody. This is a good one. We'll see you later.